Good morning, grade 5. For this week, we are going to focus on conjunctions. When we are talking about conjunctions, these are words that connect other words or groups of words in a sentence. There are three types of conjunctions, namely coordinating, correlative, and subordinating conjunctions. But for this week, we're just going to focus on the two types, coordinating, subordinating conjunctions. But first, let us discuss coordinating conjunction. It is a word that joins two elements of equal grammatical rank and syntactic importance. They can join two verbs, two nouns, two adjectives, two phrases, or two independent clauses. We can easily remember this conjunction as our fun boys. Fun boys stands for and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So let us give each one of them an example. For, we listened eagerly, for he brought news of our families. And she didn't speak to anyone, and nobody spoke to her. Nor, I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. But they rushed to the hospital, but they were too late. Or, I will go shopping, or I will go camping. Yet, Kelly was a convicted criminal, yet many people admired him. And so, I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. So these are the conjunctions under coordinating conjunctions. So again, remember, when we are talking about coordinating conjunctions, we are talking about our fun boys. That is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Now, for your 1-minute task, identify the coordinating conjunction in each of these sentences. Write your answer on a scratch paper, then we are going to check after a minute. Your timer starts now. You're just going to identify the coordinating conjunction in each of the following sentences. Number 1, parrots live in wild places or in zoos. Number 2, their beaks and feet are good for climbing. Number 3, tame parrots are friendly and loyal to their owners. Number 4, most parrots live in jungles, but some live in grasslands. And lastly, they eat seeds and drink at water holes. Last few seconds. And times. Alright, so let us check. Alright, check your own work. So I am going to show you the answers for the following sentences. So again, check your own work and be honest in checking. So number 1, you have or. Number 2, you have and for. Number 3, you have and. Number 4, you have but. And number 5, you have and. Alright, very good. Now let us do subordinating conjunctions. This conjunction joins independent clauses with a dependent or subordinate clause. The subordinating conjunction will help show the relationship between the two sentences. So if in coordinating conjunctions we have an acronym of fanboys, the most commonly used subordinating conjunctions can be simplified into this acronym ISO AWABOB, which stands for if, since, as, when, although, while, after, before, until, and because. That is ISO AWABOB. Those are subordinating conjunctions, but we have lots of subordinating conjunctions. Examples for timing or for conjunction which expresses time, we have after, before, once, since, till, until, when, while, whenever. For comparison, we have although, as, even though, like, rather than, though, and whereas. For condition, as long as though, except, if, in order for, provided that, unless, And for cause and effect relationship, we have as if, because, in order to, now that, so, whether, and why. So those are other examples of subordinating conjunctions. So for your 1-minute task, you are going to identify the subordinating conjunction in each of the following sentences. Timer starts now. Again, in a scratch paper, you are going to identify, or you are going to write the subordinating conjunction in the following sentences. Number 1, we are practicing after class. Number 2, although we are all learning to march, we can all play our instruments well. Number 3, the woodwind section marched and played while everyone clapped and whistled. Number 4, as the whole band began to play, the crowd went crazy. Few seconds left. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time's up. Let us check. So number 1, we have after. Number 2, we have although. Number 3, we have while. And lastly, we have the word as. So very good. So those are coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. Thank you for listening and have a good day.